Do you know that every moment of your life you are creating a new reality? Most people are unaware of this truth, and they are creating the reality that they don't want, because they don't know the power of vibration and frequency. Every thought you think, every word you speak, every action you do, everything literally, everything is nothing but vibration. And remember that the language of the universe is frequency, energy, and vibration. So think whenever you think that I don't have enough money, or when you think my life is a struggle, what the universe is hearing from you, the frequency of lack, right? Then what will be the universe's response? The universe will respond to this frequency of lack, and it will give you the result that you are asking for, which means you will get more and more lack from the universe. So how can I change? The answer is simple. You have to become conscious of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Especially your self-talk is the major tool to shift your reality. So from now onwards, you have to stop thinking and speaking about the results that you don't want in your life. Instead of that, you have to start speaking about the results you wanted. When you start to constantly think, feel, and talk about the results you wanted, what will be the message that you are sending to the universe? You already have everything you want, right? What will be the universe do then? The universe will start to give everything that you wanted. That's why Jesus said in Mark 11:24, "Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours." And that's the law of the universe. So now let's see what Dr. Joe Dispenza is saying about shifting your reality. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, if you think that your thoughts have something to do with your future, just from a theoretical standpoint, that your thoughts create your destiny, and you think 60 to 70,000 thoughts in one day, and 90% of those thoughts are the same thoughts as the day before, well then your life isn't going to change very much as long as you're thinking the same way. Once you learn that skill of self-regulation and being able to experience a greater level of wholeness, that if you can create from wholeness instead of separation or lack, you can produce greater effects on the nature of reality. So we came from singularity, and when you're oneness or when you're source, there's no separation between cause and effect. Your thoughts create experiences when you're in oneness. We journey down the density, and now we're really separate from source. And so what happens between cause and effect is called time. So we're here now to prove to ourselves that the divine lives in us. So why not practice shortening time or the interval between cause, the thought, and the effect, the experience? We're conditioned into believing we need a reason for gratitude or joy. But what if you've been creating, and every time you have the thought of your future, you've done it so many times it makes you feel like you're connected to your future? Well, that's a conditioning as well. If you have the thought of your future and you feel the lack that it's not there, then you're back to the victim. But if you can have the thought and the thought actually is bringing the feeling of gratitude, then when you think about your future, you begin to emotionally condition your body into that future. So the question is, what are you broadcasting every single day? When you learn new things, you make new connections in your brain. That's what learning is. But if you can't remember what you learned, then you haven't made any new connections that are sustainable, maintainable. So the more the person can repeat what they've learned, the more they're installing the neurological hardware in their brain in preparation for the experience. And so now they're priming their brain for the act, right? And when the experience happens, experience then enriches the circuitry in your brain. That's what experience does. So now you're laying down even more neurological tracks, but the payoff is the chemical called the emotion. The moment you feel unlimited, the moment you feel grateful, the moment you feel abundant, now you're teaching your body chemically to understand what your mind is intellectually understood. So knowledge is for the mind and experience is for the body. And now we're embodying the truth of that philosophy. We're literally signaling new genes and new ways and changing our future. Okay, that's what Dr. Joe Dispenza says about shifting your reality. Here I'm concluding this video. See you on next video. Thank you.